All right, something new. I'm still making baby albums. Still have friends requesting these. This one's a 6x6, and I wanted to try using up a 6x6 pad, and so I designed this little folio, and the images are smaller in a 6x6 pad, which I'm not sure how I feel about yet, but I kind of like this. It opens up again. This middle section opens up. I put a pocket in so we could put some photos. These are all tuck spaces, so photos do fit in here so they can put their photos in. All of them are tuck spaces. So I like that feature of that. This is a waterfall. This holds 3x4s, and you can fit 12 of them. So you could do, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, all the way up, and then do the bottom side all the way up to 12 months and have a whole year of baby. But I don't know, that's a lot. It's a little space for a whole year of baby. What do you think? I don't know. So I'm not sure how I feel about that yet, but in theory it could be done. So, but this does open up. I need to play with this album style a little bit more. These again are all tuck spots. And then this opens up as again another little like folio, and I put all the cut aparts here so they can spread them out however they want, but these all fit every little which way, so I guess I could spread them out for them. But this closes up, and this closes up. I guess one could go here, but when you close up this opens up one more time, which I love, and these are slightly bigger, and it also holds some pictures here in the back, which I just think is adorable. So this is a new design. I might make a tutorial on this. I want to play around with this a little bit more. I want to hear what you think, and I might change up a few dimensions. But again, I had a really fun time playing with it. And I don't know, the 6x6 paper threw me a little bit. I wasn't used to the small designs. But anyway, love to hear what you think. Talk to you soon. Bye.